Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a spring-summer nails. These are some Shein tips that I've been using, and I created this design. We'll see how it's going, how easy it is to make, and I like it. It looks beautiful. If you like it, give a thumbs up. All the items are linked in the description below. If you want to order anything from the links in the description below, are affiliates programs, and if you are ordering, I'm receiving a commission, so I would appreciate it. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm posting new videos. Let's start. I have these tips that I bought them from Shein. They are coffin shape and French already done on them, which is amazing. You don't have to struggle with French. You don't have to do anything. You can just shape them and use them. You can use them as they are. You just place some glue under and you have pretty French nails. Or you can do as I'm doing in this video. You can create a design on it. I'm just filing a little bit the edge because this is what we need to do to make it straight. And now I will use a base coat. A layer of base coat, I will cure it for 30 seconds under LED lamp. In this video, as I said, I want to do a spring-summer nails, and I will use some flowers, some design, something random, something easy to do. I will use the gel paint from Born Pretty, white color. It's pigmented, it's not thick, it's not thin, it's easy to use. If you want to order it, you can find the link in the description below, and you have as well a discount code there. Some paint brushes, these are line gel brushes. I bought them from AliExpress. I have 12 colors. They are working very well, are pigmented, and they are drying easily. So I'm just placing some lines. I'm doing a random design, something that I didn't even know what I'm doing. I am just placing some lines. Here I want to make a double effect of French. So I'm doing the same line that is on French, on the actual French, I'm creating now with the blue liner. Make sure that for designs, each stroke that you are doing, each line, each paint that you are doing, cure it between them. I want to do a combination of blue and purple, and I think it goes well with this yellow French. It will be a nice thing. Here I will do on purple the same thing. Now I will use the liner yellow, and I will do as well a French with yellow. It's almost similar to French, but this one is a little bit more pigmented. Each line that I make, I'm curing it for 30 seconds. As you can see, my lines are not that synchronized. Some of them are thick, some of them are thinner, depending. depending on the pressure that I'm putting on the brush. Now I want to make the spring flowers. This I learned them from TikTok. I didn't invent them. There are so many nail creators that were using this. I cannot name one. I would name, but I've seen more videos with this type of flowers, and I said it's easy. You don't need to be a drawing artist to do it. So let me try it, and it is really easy. You just use that dotting pen, and you have to have it saturate with gel, placing the dots next to each other, and that's all. Boom, flower. If you want a smaller flower, you use a different pen. I was using the dotted pen with the bigger ball, but in this one I use the smaller ball. So because it's the pinky and I need to make it smaller, cover it all. But it was looking nice, and also I wanted to try to see how it's looking with the smaller dot. Still is looking nice. In the middle I will add one color as well, dot with the same pen. I'll complement the colors. So for this one I'm adding a little bit yellow, and I'm not doing it with the dot because I'm lazy. I'm doing it directly with the brush because I like difficult things. But if you want to do it in the easiest way, you use the dotting pen. It will create the dot immediately. You don't need to calculate and to stay there and to think and to try to put the brush like what I'm doing now. As well, cure it after every step of design that you are doing, curing it. Here I'm creating a little bit of graininess, like some leaves, something. It's supposed to be some leaves there, but we gave up. Put one stroke and it's finished. So these are 3 nails already done. Now I'm doing the second, another nail. And I will use the light blue just to do an abstract design. After finishing the blue and the purple, I want to add some rhinestones. I have some neon type, and I think it will go very well with this summer design. I will use it on the same colors. This top coat is 4-in-1 coat. Is for rhinestones, for 3D, for just as a top coat. And I place a layer, which is a big layer of it, and take some stones and put them there. I'm saturating them in this coat, this top coat, but don't use as much as I used. Now I will place more beads just to cover this top coat. They are exactly the same color as the gel. And I cure it for 60 seconds. I'll add the purple ones, doing almost the same thing. This is the design. I'm adding top coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and that's all. As you can see, I'm placing the top coat on the beads. I don't have any issue with it because the beads are not shiny, are not stones, are just some acrylic. So it will not impact the natural shine of the stone. And this is the final look. I really like them. Easy to make, easy to create. And they are so summer, so spring and summer, yes. If you like this design, please give a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see any other designs, and we will meet in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.